Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Gas prices will again hit a new record high this week. Effective tomorrow, a liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will increase by $4.50 per liter. This is the first time the ex-refinery rate for 87 exceeded $200 per liter. However, diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will decline by 25 cents. Kerosene will move down 25 cents as well. $1.24 is taken off the price of propane, and butane will sell for $2.44 less. These prices reflect the highest since 2004. Meanwhile, oil prices rose more than 5% today after flows of Russian gas to Europe fell and Russia sanctioned some European gas companies. It added to uncertainty in world energy markets. Russia today sanctioned 31 companies based in countries that imposed sanctions on Moscow after the country invaded Ukraine in February. Brent crude settled up $5.05 to $107.51 a barrel. And U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude climbed $5.95 a barrel to $105.71, a 6% increase. Sagicor Group Jamaica is also reporting improved earnings for the quarter ended March. The company released its latest financial performance this week. Javon Keys reports.
Sagicor Group continues to see growth in the business quarter over quarter. For the 3 months up to March, Sagicor's net profit increased more than 30% compared to the same period last year.
Sagicor Group Jamaica in Q1 2022 recorded a profit attributable to shareholders of $3.82 billion, and that's 31% higher than Q1 last year in 2021. So it's a great performance. Our revenues were $23.76 billion, and that was slightly up over our Q1 last year.
President and CEO of Sagicor Group, Christopher Zaka, says segments of the group's insurance business also improved.
Our individual life segment was really the star. It was 89% above last year. Our employee benefits division is rebounding and had a creditable performance in the quarter. Sagicor Bank continues to perform well also. So overall, it's a good quarter.
Medical inflation has, however, driven up costs and payouts in some segments. The group was also adversely affected by the softening of asset prices due to global market conditions. However, the company isn't daunted by the current economic conditions, including the high interest rate environment and inflation.
The outlook is good. There are every day is something else in terms of headwinds and issues, but one part of the business will do better and another part may do worse. So overall, I'm very excited about the rest of this year and the years to come.
By the end of the quarter, Sagicor wrapped up the deal to operate Alliance Financial Services. Mr. Zaka says the operations have been going well and will give the company new avenues to offer its products and services. For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
The U.S. currency is selling for an average $156.10. $122.13 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $193.73 for the pound, while it's costing $166.51 for the euro. To the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 667 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 4 points. Among the winners, ISP Finance Services, Palace Amusement, KLE Group, Blue Power Group, and G West Corporation. On the losing side were Portland JSX, Jamaica Public Service 9.5%, Cargo Handlers, Edufocal, and Community and Workers of Jamaica CCU deferred share. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.